Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Awesome.
My name's Comrade Osauzo Laris Inifogale. I am from Delta State, Sokoto local government, MAD precisely. I live here in River State, and I am the mayor of IDU Youth Wing, River State chapter. Whatever I'm going to say here on All-Star Entertainment TV, they are all truth and they are the current and the concrete information. Education to me is one of the best things that can happen to anyone because it makes someone become an enlightened individual and it also makes people to be recognized around their environment and internationally. At all standards, education is the only qualification that can bring you before great kings.
Yes, you never know. Yes, you never know.
Until one day I went to one place called Suya Park in Warri, and I saw one 3 years old young boy doing mixing. That thing just blew me off. I said, I must do this thing. That was how, after my school, I just decided to become DJ. DJs, choose where you want to belong. Either you want to be club DJ, emphasize and improve on club. You want to become party DJ, emphasize on it and improve on it. You want to become a picnic DJ, emphasize and improve on it. So on and so forth. So that's the advice I give to upcoming DJ.
My favorite, first of my the number one is Banga Super Stash, which is the normal Isoko man's food with fresh fish. And if there's seafood, that was my favorite. But unfortunately, in my area we don't have seafood. But if it is added to it, it becomes an added advantage to the delicacy, you know. Then secondly, I love dodo, which is called the ripe plantain fried and then with stew, with meat and beef. And I normally take that as breakfast most of the time because it's one of my favorites. Then thirdly, I love beans. You know, there's this beans they call honey beans. It is cooked and well arranged with sardine. It's one of my favorites. I don't play with that. I can eat custard or bread with it as an African man.
But the remaining half of the year is going to be massive because I have collaborations with Ice Prince, Bosch, and I'm looking to have more collaborations. So as soon as within the next quarter, I'll be dropping a body of work, and it's titled Non-Stop the playlist. So I have a lot coming for people. Time no day, we're going to give them a back-to-back.
All TV.
All Stars Entertainment TV.
I like so many things. I like music, anything that has to do with natural talent that can pass a message, that has a positive value in people's lives. I go with all songs, all kind of music as far as it has a cool lyrics.
Which of the the black and the white and the I say
number one, I like Two Face because while I was growing up, is among the first hip hop Nigeria artists I grew up to meet. And his songs are very clear to understand. Even those who are not educated can understand him to the lowest level. And he passes messages and he also preaches love.
And I should for the form of my soul. I hope you get all your credentials. I hope the people vote you shall.
Burna Boy is a person who sings songs, revolutionary songs that have to do with the black race, the history of the black race, and to promote the Africa culture internationally.
People make me tell you something. If you see fine girl where you bad about you, she tell you say the man she follow come now cousin. Then you can't discover that him really wasn't. Say if you give me chance, my baby.
My third person that's actually a rapper, and M.I. Abaga. He's a very talented rapper who did so well in the rap industry in Nigeria. He has good lyrics. He sends good message to the listeners, to the fans, and I love it so much as a person because he's talented and he passes good message.
Is it because he's short or something? You like short people?
Short people, I naturally, tall people always go with short people, and then short people go with fat, slim people go with fat people. It's always like that.
Smoke and perspiration, that's the fucking intersection. What should that inspire you? We're asking for protection. Your Highness, are you low enough to one day face rejection?
There are female artists, just that most of the song women they sing more of love songs, and sometimes we choose to listen to songs that have to do that send message that can pass from generation to generations. I want that association to be recognized nationally. At least whenever the logo ID you sing, it should be known that this body is recognized. And then that's why we are trying to put up things to make sure that our voices are heard and we are known all over the country. And we are working drastically on that. And in no distance time, we are going to achieve those goals and ambitions.
I hereby inaugurate you as the mayor of Rivers State and
My advice to the youth is that when the youthful age of everyone is for someone to define their vision and purpose in life. Be specific on what you want in life and pursue your dreams in life, because the youthful age is limited to, I think, 45. You are already crossing above the youth age. So I encourage every youth, whatever you are doing, do it diligently. I want to use the opportunity to give a shout out to my mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. The person of Miss Ife Comfort, her birthday is September 28th, that is, and despite the fact that mothers can be harsh sometimes, she's the backbone of my frame and my made-up. She contributed a lot to my life. I want to wish Miss Agbo, a mother to a friend who has been a motivation to me. I want to also use this opportunity to wish her happy birthday. Her birthday is also September 28th alongside with my mom. And I wish you long life and prosperity.
Befum, O Colette, O Wale, O Warnet, Macam, celebrity profile is going down. Watch it, don't touch it. Skibby says so. Boomba. Hey, what's good, my people? It's your boy Skibby, my Anna. We out here, man.
All Stars Entertainment TV.